at this cool icy waterfall. Lame, dude. Whoa, that might be the butte I was trying to get to. You see there's a road that goes all the way to the top? Should we take a look around?
Previously on Lost.
Totally virgin territory for me. I guess I'm the virgin. The territory isn't. No camping. Sometimes it goes nowhere, and that's okay. Yeah, that is steep. All this like frozen tundra-y stuff. I really want to try to get out to that butte if we can find a path. That's beautiful.
And now the conclusion.
There's maybe my bluff. Is that it? Don't know. Going up though, so that's good. That's what we wanted. We wanted to go up. Whoa, cool. That's cool, dude. That's cool, dude. We're gonna get a picture of that. At this cool icy waterfall. That's pretty neat, huh? Don't see that every day. You just never know what you're gonna find, huh? Just never know. Pretty neat. Alright, let's ride through some iciness. So that stream's just running down here. We're ice breaking. Good times. It's not just a motorcycle, it's also an icebreaker. How much does a DRZ weigh? Enough to break the ice. You know, and at 320 pounds, it should break the ice. Seriously. What is this? Okay, this is worth investigating. This is what we came for. I love it. You just come around the corner and there's limitless possibilities. Okay. Where the hell are we, dude? This is a sketchy road. Where does it go? That's Mount Washington right there. I'm sure it just goes down to a landing right there. There's some cool mountains over there. See, like, Mount Jefferson is right there, but it's in that cloud, so you can't see it. Come on, clouds. Man, look at Jefferson is right there, but it's totally in a cloud. Lame, dude. Ooh, okay. That's looser than I was expecting. I want to see how annoying it is that we can't see Jefferson. So that is Mount Jefferson right there. So this view is probably amazing when there's not a cloud right there. So Jefferson itself is not in a cloud. There's just one between us and it. Big spider intersection. Oh yeah, this is a big one. Oh yeah, bud. This is a big one. And you can take roads from here, I think, all the way over to Highway 22. That's fun. 520. 2027. 320. This is the one I want, I think. Yep, 2041, see? And the main roads always have 4 digits. It's about to get pretty up in here. So I've been over there. So we were over there earlier. Geez, that bluff I was trying to find is on this side. Not that one, because I drove right by it. It's up here somewhere. Gate closed. Anytime. Well, there's no gate, bro. This gate is not closed right now. At least I haven't seen it yet. Okay, that might be my hill. This is promising. That might be the butte I was trying to get to. You see there's a road that goes all the way to the top? Okay. I just got excited again. Well, it sure looks like this is the road. Alright, well you see that hill right there? We're going to try to climb it. Because that might be the spot. That might be the bluff I saw from across the canyon. I'm not going to get too excited because there could be a gate, or sometimes roads are misleading and they don't go where they look like they should go, and that sucks ass. But we're going to see. It'll be a good climax for this particular video. Okay, looks like this one. Maybe? Yeah. Okay, well even if this doesn't go to the top, I feel pretty good right now. I think it might. I think it might. We are super high up right now, dude. Man, that is a ways down. cringe. You gotta watch where you're going. Sometimes it's helpful. I read that on the internet. Okay, and then this is not a road, is it? Nope, that's not a road. It used to be, I think. But out here's not terrible. Let's see. Well, okay. Didn't get quite to the top. It's clear they've made that road impassable on purpose, I think. But this is not bad, dude. You can see right there, it's not really a road to the top. But this, I think, is that view I was trying to get to. It might be. That's not terrible. Should we take a look around? Okay, well that was a cool little spot. I'm glad we were able to get up here. This is definitely that bluff I was seeing from the other side, so we got up as high as we could. That's pretty neat. And I think that's a great sort of cap to this adventure. So I'm gonna head back down, I think. So that was a fun adventure. Started out kind of slow and cold, but found a decent little viewpoint and a cool waterfall and a couple other interesting things. So it's never a bad day when you're out exploring the woods. There's always something cool to see. So thank you for coming along. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that like button. But for now, and as always, I just want to say thank you very much for watching, and please do not forget to be excellent to each other. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Excellent!
Is that where I just was? It totally is. I was just right up there. That's where I was, right there. Cool.